seen here moored in the Old Quay dock at Runcorn. This is used today for ship canal maintenance work. The crane was purpose-built in Holland in 1937, specifically for maintenance duties on the ship canal. And as you will see, she is fully prepared for changing the somewhat larger lock gates this waterway employs. The crane is almost completely as originally built, with virtually all the original equipment still on board and in full working order. The twin boilers provide a head of steam to drive capstans, winches, various pumps, and the generator which provides electricity for the motors operating the crane and the hoist. Keeping the head of steam ready is a full-time job for the boiler room crew, who on this round trip could well shovel some 40 tons of coal into the hungry fireboxes of this Dutch-built giant. That then is a brief look round the engine room of the 250-ton crane, but just through these doors is the winding drum room, and this equipment we shall see in action a little later on when we return here whilst the crane is in operation. But whilst we've been down in the heart of the 250-ton crane,